Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the headband on a ClearCom CC-300 and CC-400 headset. Alright, let's get started. So these headsets are known to have very poor quality headband, even though they're very expensive. They're like $400 headsets. But this part really gets, rubbed off and gets damaged and whatnot, as you can see. And what we want to do is we want to replace this headband. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is open these two screws and these two screws. So let's open these two first. You need a Phillips screwdriver. As you can see, it's Phillips. I have a WeHot Tools PH0, so it has to be 0, very small screw, the smallest they make, I guess. Once the screws are fully out, you need to pull this up, but remember it's also glued here, so be very careful. Yeah, see how it's glued here? Then you pull the back and this slides out. Remember, you pull the front, pull the back, and this slides out, just like that. So now we need to remove this end. These are very special screws. Make sure you don't lose them, because if you do, it's very hard to find replacements. So this is basically trash, and we will put the new one. I'm gonna leave a link in the description where to buy the new ones. This is a new one. So first we will put this end. First put this end, because if you can easily put the screw. If you put the other end first, then it will be difficult twice. This time it will be only difficult once. So make sure to remove these things, glue, adhesive, leftover adhesive. Clean it so it doesn't show up on the other side. Same thing with this end. Clean the adhesive and then put it right there, and they snap in place very nice and tight. Once it's snapped in place, make sure you have both screws. Let me zoom in so you can see better. And now you tie the screws. So this side looks good. Now we will put the other end. And we put the... Let me zoom out so you can see with respect to the headset where this is. So basically I want you to see the bigger picture, you know what I mean? You don't just see zoomed in version without knowing exactly where you're working on. So now I'll put the other side. Okay, so to put the other side, we first align them. Make sure this is sticking out a little bit, like sticking a little out, like maybe like half an inch. Otherwise this will hit this and you cannot close it easily. And make sure it's snapped in place. Turn it around and put the screwdriver, the screws on this side. Remember I mentioned that it's harder to put the screws when this guy is here. That's why I said to put this side first, so nothing is blocking your screwdriver, and then you only have to deal with blockage on this end. After I'm done with this, we will change the microphone sponge also. So you can learn that how to replace the microphone sponge. And I'm also going to leave the link where to get the microphone sponge. The microphone sponge is very high end, so they're very expensive. There you go, as good as new again. Brand new. Yeah. Okay, now let's replace the microphone sponge. Anyways, to replace this, first we have to remove the adhesive. To remove the adhesive, we need a flat screwdriver. Go to a closer camera, zoom in. There it is. Now your finger, roll it, kind of roll the adhesive, push it with your fingers and it will it will curl, and then you can remove it, because otherwise you will have a very hard time removing it. It doesn't come out easily. So there it is, the adhesive has been removed as much as possible. I mean, it's not 100% removed, but you know, this is good enough, because the new adhesive will stick there. Now here is the brand new one. Even for this, I will leave the link where to get these. They're very expensive because this is very special kind. To remove this white paper on the back, you need like a small needle, like a very small needle like this, and then you hold it down like this, and then with the needle you do like this. Okay, watch. So basically I push the adhesive to the left, and then I hold the paper and pull it out. Watch. Like that. That's the easiest way to remove this. If you don't do it like that, you're going to be spending a lot of time trying to remove that. Alright, so now we center this. Make sure it's in dead center, and a very, very center. You can't be off a little bit. And then once it's in complete center, push it. Push it all the way, and voila. We have replaced both the headband and the foam on a ClearCom CC-300 headset. The procedure is the same for CC-300 and CC-400. Alright, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.